To set up Authorize Net Webhook Events List, start by logging into your Authorize Net account and navigating to the Account section. Click on Webhooks and then New Webhook to create a new webhook endpoint. Here you will need to enter the URL where you want to receive the webhook notifications. Select the events you want to receive notifications for, and set the status to active. The events list includes various options such as payment authorization, capture, refund, and more. For example, if you want to receive notifications when a payment is authorized, select the payment authorization event. You can also select multiple events at once, depending on your specific requirements. After setting up the webhook, Authorize Net will send a verification request to the specified URL to confirm that the endpoint is valid. Your server must respond with a 200 OK status code to complete the verification process. Once the webhook is set up, you will start receiving notifications for the selected events. It is essential to handle these notifications properly, such as updating your database or triggering specific actions based on the event type. Best practices include securing your webhook endpoint with HTTPS, validating the webhook notifications to prevent unauthorized access, and implementing retry logic in case of failed notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set up Authorize Net Webhook Events List and improve your payment processing workflow. This will enable you to receive real-time notifications and automate tasks, resulting in increased efficiency and better customer experience.